Hello guys, so today we're going to be talking about how you can get a free domain on the internet without using your credit card or without using any free trials or whatever. So first of all you have to do is go on to a freedns.afraid.org. So here is the website, and we're just going to go scroll down here and we're going to go sign up. So once you click on sign up, you need to add your information. So we'll just add something here, whatever. Add your password and then add an email. So I will add an email there. And then you need to fill this CAPTCHA. And then click on send activation email. So once you click on that, the website is going to send an email to the email address you have provided, and you have to activate the account on the email address that you have provided. Once you have activated the website, you're gonna open the website is gonna look like this. So once you are here, you're gonna click on add a subdomain, and once you click on add a subdomain, you're gonna type in your subdomain, so how you want your website to be called. So I have a name for my website here. As for the domain, you're gonna have a bunch of different, so you're not gonna get a simple .com, .net, whatever, because those are paid for. You're gonna get something that is extended like this. You also have other options that you can click on there, and then you click on share domain registry, and then you can choose from a bunch of different domains here. So we're just gonna go back to the adding subdomain thing, and then we're gonna choose the first one here. Destination, you're gonna type in the IP address to your hosting service, so the hosting service that you're gonna create the website on. You're gonna go on to that, you're gonna create a website under this domain, and then add the destination, so the address basically that the domain is gonna lead to. And then once you do that, all you have to do is click on here, enter the CAPTCHA, and you save, and that's it. You have successfully created your personal domain for free. So I hope that this video helps you.